Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos today. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand. For this standing top stylings, the pasta makers. And we do having the units, the measurements. And let me give you. It's about like a 24.5 inches wide. And depth will be about like a 25.5 inches deep. And the overall height is about like a 36.5 inches tall. So as we can see the front, they come in with a 1, 2, 3 individual fire controllers, have a small window on top. You can monitor the fires, how strong they are. And also on the side, this one have a connections. You can either using the natural gas or liquid propanes, depends what the generators or hookups you're using. And we can take a look closer to see the inner side dimensions. So when we remove the top lid, we can see the cooking area. Also, the manufacturer they pre-install the faucets for you. The connection at the hand of the units. You can connect with the water pipes. And also they give you the hookup generator, the connections. They also offer the 6 basket. You can just put in like this way. And for these baskets, the diameter is about like 5.5 inches. And depth about like 5 inches. When we remove these holders, we can see they have an individual 3 sections and the inner side with the cooking areas. And for this one, it's about like a 14 inches wide and 6.5 inches long and 6 inches deep for each of the sections. This will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.